Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you face this problem, you need to go back to your home screen and then go to your iPhone settings. Here it is. Then you need to scroll down and find WhatsApp application in this list of applications. Here it is. Then you need to click on the notifications option and make sure you toggled on allow notifications. Then you need to scroll down and find show previous button. Then you need to make sure you choose always. Here it is. Then you need to go back again. You then make sure you enable background app refresh, this little option. Then you need to go back, go to the top of this page and find general options. Here it is. And then click on the background app refresh here. And then click on the first option, background app refresh. And then you need to make sure you choose Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then you need to go back again in this general page. Then you need to scroll down and click on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then reset. And then you need to click on the second option, reset network settings. It will refresh all your Wi-Fi, mobile data settings, and then after that your problem will be fixed. So that's all, and that's how to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.